Hello everyone, welcome to Scratch Tutorials by Uman Shagarwal.
Today we are going to chase a snowflakes with the help of a snowman. Here we go. You can see there is a snowman who is trying to chase a snowflakes. When the snowman touches the snowflakes, then our score gets +1. Are you interested to make this game? So let's go. First delete this sprite. I will take the backdrop. I will search window. I got the window. Now we will choose the sprites. First I will take the sprite snowman. Here is the snowman. And we will take one more sprite. We will take snowflakes. Oh, here is the snowflake. Oh my gosh, the snowflakes is very big. First we will change the color of the snowflakes because the color is not so much visible when it's in the sky. Go to this. Now we have to change the color. Great. It's visible now. First with the light color it was not visible. Let's decrease the size of this. We will take 30. Great. Now we will start coding of the snowman. First we will do the coding of the snowman's movement. Go to events, take this block. We will change this to right arrow and right arrow key pressed. Go to motion, take change x by 10. Duplicate this, put it here, take left arrow, change this to -10. I'll show you how it works. Oh, you can see it's moving. Now you have to make the code for the snowman's up-down movement. You can duplicate this, change it to up arrow, delete this block, take change y by. We will take 30 in this. Duplicate this, up 1, take down arrow, change y by -30. Now the movement is done. I'll show you the movement. This is left arrow, this is right arrow, this is up, and this is down. Right. Now we will make the code of the snowflakes. First we will set the snowflake's position. Take one flag clicked. Go to x -187, and instead of y -66 we will take 66. Check, it goes to its position. Now we will take when flag clicked, go to control, take a forever loop, go to motion, glide 1 second to random position. Means it will glide 1 second anywhere. Let's check. Oh, it's gliding anywhere, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Now we will make a variable. We can make coins. I got the variable coins. Now we will choose a sound. Instead of pop, I will take coin. I can search. Here is the coin sound. Let's check it. Make it little softer. Yes, great. Now we will go to events. When flag clicked, go to control, forever loop, and we will take if then. Sensing, touching, snowflake, Start play sound coin until done. Go to variable, change coins by 1. Go to control again. Take wait for 1 second. Put it in the middle and put change coins by 1 up. And yes, one more thing. We will take the last code. When flag is clicked, set the position, go to x0, y0 and take set coins to 0. Take one more when flag click and put it here. Let's try. To make you understand, I will show you in a big screen. It's gone to its position and let's move it. Great. Oh yeah. Oh no. The snowflake is very fast. We have to catch him. We have to catch the snowflakes. You see, the game is very interesting. Hope you like the video and enjoy playing the game.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.